Well, hello friends. So for today's video, I'm going to be swatching and reviewing and telling you all about the new MoonCat Mermaid Tales collection that just launched just a couple weeks ago. I'm a little late to the game here, but I want to swatch them for you anyways. I'm going to be doing a natural nail swatch as well as a nail extension swatch because that's what I tend to love to use is glue-on nails. I'll show you that little setup and I have videos showing how I do it, but I'm also going to do a natural nail swatch because I know some of you want to do it on natural nails. But guys, I gotta say, MoonCat polish is just has to be my favorite now of all time because I love all the different finishes, all the different textures. I used to not be a polish lady, a regular polish lady. I was all about my gels, but MoonCat changed my mind. I'm loving everything that I try from them. I love the brush. I love the applicator. I love the bottle. Everything is just my aesthetic and I love it so much. And also it lasts forever and it's so good and it dries down fast. I can't say enough good things about that. MoonCat did send this to me in PR, but if you wanted to get the collection yourself, it is retailing for $77 or you can buy each individual polish for $14 with the exception of Catfished, which is $15. Beautiful collection. Did anybody get anything from the prehistoric collection? Because I got a couple of shades during their sale that they just had and it's on my hands right now. For reference, I'm wearing a Velociraptor and Pangea. I'm obsessed. Just when I thought like Mermaid Bait couldn't be blown out of the water, Mermaid Bait was like my all-time favorite from MoonCat. I tried these shades and now I don't know which one, but when they showed me the little sneak peek of this one, when they emailed me about it, I was like, yes, please. Cause that kind of looks like an extension of Mermaid Bait with that I love so much. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to swatch the shades for you guys. Let me know as I'm swatching, which one's your favorite? Did you pick up any? Are you going to? Let me know the tea. And for my book loving babes out there, what am I currently reading? I am reading Fourth Wing. I'm halfway through, no spoilers. I'm obsessed with this book. Highly recommend already. Only halfway through and I recommend it. Love it. And we are also reading A Cruel Prince for the month of June in 2023. So if it's still June, go grab yourself a copy and join me and Liz's book club. She's at The Real Life Vegan Wife and I'm at ashleyellix over on Instagram. And we do a live at the end of every month talking about the book of the month book club book that you guys all vote for. So make sure to tune in for that or join us so you can make sure you vote for July's month. But anyways, July's book. But anyways, enough for the pre-chit chat. Let's get into it, boo. Boop. All right, like I said, please let me know which one was your favorite or which ones you bought, which ones are on your list. I'll tell you my favorite, which is really hard to choose, but I gotta choose, I gotta be fair. I think it might be Bermuda Triangle because I'm a sucker for those flakies. But I do keep glancing my daughter's hand who's wearing Catfish. She's been wearing it all week without it chipping, and it's just so out of this world, blindingly beautiful, and it has a shift to it, and it's just like, you just picks up all the sparkles in the sun. I love it. I'm gonna say Bermuda Triangle, but a close contender is Catfish, okay? And it depends. When I put them on myself, I might change my mind. But as far as swatches go, what I'm seeing, that's my favorite. So you guys, make sure you subscribe before you go so you don't miss out on future videos. And like I said, if you wanna see more of this beauty content as well as some more book content, go ahead and follow me over on Instagram at ashleyellix, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.